Because today's card is a 12 centimetre square card, not only have I included the file for this down below as normal, but I've also given you a 12 centimetre envelope file as well. So if you want to make your envelopes to match your card, you can. And what I suggest you do is you look for pretty wrapping papers. Those make excellent envelopes. And considering the price of a roll of wrapping paper, you can make quite a few envelopes very cheaply. Today's card is a relatively simple one, but it's no less worthy for that. What I've done is I have created a pattern which I have then offset, so I've cut out of a piece of 11 by 11. And this one is the same size, but this has been drawn with a pen in my Silver Bullet. And if you're wondering how I managed to get it filled, basically I set it to a line fill, just on the standard line fill. I didn't alter the settings at all. And I've used a gold Signo pen to do this. And as you can see, I've got a pretty good image. It almost looks like it's been stamped on there, or indeed foiled on. So that I'm very pleased with. Now my original thought was I was just going to layer it up on a white background, and then I thought that looks a bit boring, so I changed it up a bit. Unusual for me, I've gone for a green background, and when I put this on here you'll see what a difference just changing the background card makes. So I've put my background card in my frame jig here, and I'm going to put some double-sided tape on the back of it. So first of all, I have to find the end of this double-sided tape, which is a strange one. It's a Scotch tape and it doesn't have any backing to it, which is nice in some respects. But I got it to make three-dimensional pop-ups and things, and I did not find it strong enough tape to cope with that. For some strange reason, it kept coming undone. It couldn't cope with the stress. So, put this on the back. There we go. So all I need to do with this one is to line it up with my frame, make sure it's straight in there, and then that's it. Job done. There we are. That's in nicely. Now because I've got this one which is the same size, I can actually keep my frame in there. I don't have to alter the size of it. And I can rotate this until I find out which way around it is supposed to go, and it's supposed to go that way, obviously. So I'm going to put this that way. Now I can't use my other tape on there, it's too wide. What I'm going to do is just put tape across the corners. And when I've done that, I can put a little bit of glue on the bits that are not so easy to tape. And make sure I put it in the correct direction, which it isn't at the moment. I knew I should have marked it. There we go. So that goes in like so, and I can lift the frame off. Press that down, particularly in the corners where the double-sided tape is, because that will ensure it doesn't move. Make sure my surface is clean and press down from the back. I find it is the easiest, and you're less likely to move anything around if you do it that way. If you find, like me, that you've got little edges sticking up, the secret of this is to get some nice thick glue. I use a wood glue, and use a pin to go underneath just to put the tiniest amount of glue on. and then press and hold it down until it is stuck in place. Now, I thought to myself I would probably do a sentiment bar or invite bar across the middle, but since I don't know what occasion I'm going to use this for, I'm not going to put a sentiment on it at the moment. And the other thing you could do is put a gem in the middle if you're just going to use it as a plain card, or you could add some decorative bits around the edges. But as a fairly straightforward, simple card, I think that's quite a nice one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share it if you like it, and obviously give me a thumbs up too. Take care now. Bye bye.